vibrant yellow color is from the yellow corn meal, the Gova yellow corn. I mix that with Indian head, corn flour, and some cassava dough to make this beautiful paste that I'll be using to make banku. You allow this to ferment for 3 to 5 days to even 7 days. You cover the top with a foil, or it must be airtight. 5 days after, I'm just mixing it together again and I'll package it. Just wanted to spend the New Year's Eve with you guys as I do this. Not exactly planned live video, but I thought, why not? Somebody may use my company. Hello, Catel. How are you? Happy New Year to you. In the coming days, maybe tomorrow, I'll be making banku with this thing. That's how we will celebrate our New Year. We'll make banku with tilapia, grilled tilapia, and fresh pepper. So it should be good. I made it right on time, so it's ready for use when we need it. Hello everyone, Happy New Year here in the kitchen. I'm just preparing what we will use for New Year tomorrow. Can you please shout out my son's name? Oh, hello Nick. Nick, how are you doing? Happy New Year from your mom or dad, I'm not sure. May you have the best of the season. Is Nick watching me? Is Nick with us? If you're wondering what I'm doing, this is just banku mix. It's a blend of cassava dough and corn dough mixed together with water, allowed to ferment for 3 to 5 days. It can even go as much as 7 days outside. After that, you want to put it in the fridge or freezer if you're not going to use all at one time like I'm doing. So I'm just packaging this to put in the fridge and into the freezer. I put some in the Ziploc, which I'll put in the freezer so it stays longer for me. And then the one in the Paris, in this bowl, the Paris, this goes in the fridge. And when it's getting finished, I remove this in the Ziploc and I store it for use. So this right here can last us about a month or so, if not longer, depending on how often we make banku. Banku is a staple here in our home, so maybe like a month it will last us. If you're wondering what banku is, it is a Ghanaian food. It's a Ghanaian delicacy. We eat it with soup or stew. And so every time, most Ghanaian homes have this in their fridge. Hello, what's going on? I just told you what's going on. I just told you what we are doing here. When I put it in the Ziploc, you want to flatten it so that it can go in the freezer. You can have more space for it to go in the freezer. This is just a New Year's Eve live video. I was just here by myself. I said, why not? Let me put the cameras on, so maybe I will see one or two of you. If you're buying it in the market, this is how they will make it for you. They'll roll it in little balls for you to buy. This is how the market women will do it. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. I'm just getting the air out of it and pressing it down so I can get more room. I can fit into the freezer for use. So this goes in the freezer until I need to use it. I'm going to put this in the fridge for use. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful year. Have a very, very beautiful year. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video. This is just banku mix made from corn dough and cassava dough mixed together with water, fermented for 5 days, so now we package it for storage. It's going right into the fridge and freezer. Okay, thank you and bye for now.